If I am a conditional lawful permanent resident, when can I sponsor my children to come to the United States? Do I have to wait until I get the conditions removed from my LPR status, or can I apply right away? Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States out of our office here in St. Louis, Missouri. One of our clients recently asked us this question, and so I thought I'd shoot this video to sort of explain it to you and walk everybody through the process. So we're going to call our client Frank. Frank came to the United States about 1.5 years ago, and he married a lady here in the United States. She was a U.S. citizen, so she sponsored him for a green card. Now Frank had 2 children that lived overseas from a prior marriage. He had divorced their mother, and he had come to the United States and obtained lawful permanent resident status based on his marriage to a woman we will call Sarah. So Sarah and Frank are here, and we actually handled the green card case for Frank. Because Sarah was a U.S. citizen, she had the right to sponsor Frank for a green card. Now, if you are a foreign national, and if you come to the United States, and if you marry a U.S. citizen and he or she sponsors you for a green card, and you've been married less than 2 years, then you're going to be what's called a conditional lawful permanent resident. That is, that you are granted LPR status, you have all the rights and privileges of a green card holder, but at the end of those 2 years, after getting your initial green card, you're going to have to demonstrate to the USCIS that you're still married and that it's a valid marriage, and that the green card at that point should be extended. You'll have the conditions removed from your green card, and you'll be granted lawful permanent resident status for a 10-year time period. And so Frank wanted to know, does he have to wait to get those conditions removed from his green card, or could he go ahead and apply for his children right away? And the answer is that when you're conditional permanent resident, you don't have to wait. You can apply right away to have your children come join you in the United States. And so that hopefully is what Frank's going to do. He does not have to wait to get the conditions removed. Now, if his conditions are ultimately not removed, that will put the children's case in peril, and they probably won't be able to come. Why is this so important? Well, here's why. So when a U.S. citizen sponsors their children overseas, there's an immediate visa available. But when you're a lawful permanent resident, there's often a wait to bring your children here. Sometimes is up to as long as 2 years. Right now it's about 1.5 years, 1 year and 3 months. And so it's really a smart question by Frank to want to bring his children here. We're happy to try to help him with this, and we're going to send him a copy of this video and walk him through the process. But yes, he can apply right now. He does not have to wait until his green card has been in place for 2 years and he's gotten those conditions removed. If you have questions about lawful permanent resident status, or want to ask us anything about how sponsoring your children from overseas works, give us a call at 314-961-8200, or you can email me, jim@hackinglawpractice.com. Thanks.